All right, so I am a parent and I have a teenage driver. And one of the things that I always worry about is how they're driving and how other people are driving with them on the road, which is where this dash cam comes in very handy. I've been looking at getting a dash cam for quite a while, and so when I found this one, I was very excited for a few different reasons. First of all, it has the dash cam itself that goes above the rearview mirror, and it has the camera that shoots out through the windshield. It also has a camera that shoots to the inside of the car, so I can see also if there's any distractions from friends or anything else that needs to be addressed, things that we can talk about as parents to make sure that our teenage driver is being as safe as possible. The other thing that it also has in this set is a rear-facing camera that goes out the back window. Now it's got a very long cable that attaches to it that will plug in to the side right here of the regular dash camera. Oh, excuse me, right here. That'll plug into the side and keep everything so you can see what's going on now. It's got a little display here so you can change the view if you wanted to see the inside of the car, the outside of the car, the back of the car. You can see all of that. There are adhesive strips on the cameras themselves. So there's the adhesive strip here so that it goes up on the windshield to keep this up above the rearview mirror. And then this one goes on the back to keep it from falling off as well. And then you can adjust the angle of the camera as you need to so that you can get the angle that you want. Now this particular dash camera also plugs into the cigarette lighter, and it comes with the cigarette lighter adapter and the charge cord. So this would plug in to your cigarette lighter, and then this plugs in to the dash cam right here. So what we will do, just like that. What I'll do though, is I'll go ahead and I'll go put these out in my car, show you the installation process, show you everything that way, because it comes with everything you need. It's got a pry tool so that you can hide the camera, the cables as you need to, or as you would like to keep everything nice and clean inside the car. It's got the instruction manual, the user manual to show you how to use it. It does have a, I believe it has an app as well to view everything, but I'll confirm that. But either way, you can look at the display here and it will show you everything that you're looking at. You can cycle through the different cameras so that you can see what's going on and go that way. So we'll go ahead and get this installed, and I will show you that process and then what everything looks like once it's done. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get our dash cam installed, the front dash cam installed in the car. We've got the mounting bracket here that has the adhesive right here. We just took off that backing. This is the camera that faces into the cabin of the car, and then this is the front facing camera. So we're gonna go ahead and just put this right up above my rear view mirror so that it's not impeding my rear view mirror, but we can still use the camera. All right, so we have all of the cameras installed. We have the cords all run. As you saw from that past clip just now, it's a little bit of a process to get everything running here, but not a big deal. All right, so now I have this, whoops, there we go. I have the, gonna turn, oh, okay, so it does come with a cigarette lighter adapter. Come on over here, go ahead and bring that over here, and what we'll do, what we're looking at there. Okay, so what we can see here is the display right here. So this is the cabin camera, which you can see right here. You can see the phone on it as we're recording. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. So there's that. This is the rear facing camera. Why don't you hop in the back seat there really quick? See if we can't adjust that a little bit. There is also an app with the camera that you can look at, but then we've also got the front facing camera, which is on this side right here. You can see my finger on that. We'll turn on the lights here so you can see that. Boom. Okay, there you go. All right, and then each one of these adjusts. You can adjust the angle of the camera like that. I mean, this one we would adjust like this to adjust the camera angle, but then it looks like, I don't know where that adjusted, but we'll adjust those here as we get that done. But the app also allows you to, so the app also allows you to pull the footage off of the cameras and things like that as you're going or after the fact, so that you're ready to go that way. This is the app that you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store to interact with your Dashcam. It allows you to switch between cameras, which will show up on the display on the camera itself. You can choose between the outdoor front facing, the outdoor rear facing, or the inside the cabin facing cameras. And you'll see that show up here, and it will indicate that it has successfully switched the cameras. You can also stop recording using the app. You can look at what's been recorded and things that way as well through the app, which is nice. Then it will also give you the option to adjust the settings of the camera itself, which I'll show you here in just a moment. You'll just click on the settings icon up there in the upper right. And you can change all sorts of things here. The resolution, the volume, pairing mode, language, time zone, date and time. It's all there. You can monitor the SD card storage and how much space you have left. You can format the SD card. Basically anything that you need to change on there, you can. And then again, you can cycle through. If you've got a good connection from your phone to the camera, you can also do a live preview of what's being recorded and shown there. But again, great interface, connects easily. The screen of the camera itself does show you how to connect to the camera itself. It's got the Wi-Fi network name and password so that you can connect right there, and then access everything from your phone. And again, switch between cameras and keep everything together.